Today we're going to talk about part 3 of this 5-part video tutorial on the LP Deal Analyzer tool. Today we're going to go over the basic sheet or tab. And this is the first section where we look at specific granular level variables that are related to this deal and the return metrics broken down into its components. In general, most multifamily deals are broken down into 3 basic sections: the sponsor, the market, and the deal. You can see these major headings outlined here. As you can see, the deal component has many more metrics that are used for analysis, whereas the market and sponsor has less. Much of the basic deal information has already been input for you in addition to several key metrics that have been assigned a score from the Key Inputs tab. Any sections that are annotated by the 2 asterisks preceding the cell indicates information that is brought in or auto-populate from that Key Inputs tab, and they no longer require any further inputs since they come in automatically. For these cells, there is no drop-down options within it since it is auto-populated. In the top of each respective section, you can see the current score versus the total possible points available of this particular deal on a running basis. For example, in this deal, you can see the running score for the market parameter is 202 out of a total possible 300. One hallmark feature of this basic sheet, as well as the LP Deal Analyzer tool in general, is our drop-down feature. An example is if you look at one of the LP deal metrics, such as the property tax projection or the property expense ratio for year 1 pro forma. You can see as you select from the drop-down, you see a color coding change based on the desirability of that particular percentage for that metric. And you see an associated score change that occurs when the drop-down features are changed. This bases the assigned score for the metric within the cell and then changes color, as was stated, from green, yellow, or red, once again based on desirability of that particular metric. The overall theme of this sheet is that it was designed with ease of use and functionality in mind. With both the auto-population feature from the Key Inputs tab combined with the drop-down features, one can quickly go through an investment summary and input the information here. The Advanced tab functions as an add-on or extension of the Basic tab, but it is important to understand that the Advanced tab is completely optional and not required during deal evaluation. This tab overall has the same functionality of the Basic tab, but expands on the metrics even further, which you can see highlighted here in violet as the additional metrics within each section. For ease of use, the previously selected metrics within the Basic tab have been auto-populated here into the Advanced tab, so you no longer have to fill that out. The Advanced tab can be used in situations where one wants to take an even further deep dive into the deal or where you may be on the fence after evaluation with the Basic tab. This concludes part 3 of the video tutorial.